Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use WhatsApp in two phones. If you have two different phones and you want to use the WhatsApp on both of them with the same account, I'll show you how it could be possible. So what you have to do is you have to open a WhatsApp on both of the phones. On the phone which you want to get the WhatsApp, you have to open it, click on agree and continue, and then you just have to simply get login with your number. But instead what you have to do is you have to click onto the three dot from the right top corner and click on link as companion devices, and then you will see this code. You just have to simply use this code and scan it from the other phone. So for that you have to click onto the three dots and then click on link devices, then click on link device and scan this code. It will literally take few seconds. Once you have scanned it, then you will see the WhatsApp on the other phone as well. So that's how you can use the same WhatsApp on two different phones. And I'll show you, if I do a message on one phone, the same message will appear on the other phone as well. But one thing you have to understand, there are chances that you will get logged out from the phone on which you have just added the WhatsApp. This is because it is a temporary. So if it happens, then you can just simply re-log in and then you will be able to use the same WhatsApp on the two phones once again. So that's how you can use WhatsApp in two phones. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.